Is it better to invest in gold or Bitcoin, or the S&P 500, or bonds, or the other asset classes that we have been following for a while? We continue our analysis of the world economy, what's happening in these days, and which sector or asset class is showing better performance. In other words, where should we invest for optimal profits? The new environment has in fact brought some interesting new twists in the financial world and forced even the average investor to look at investment classes that had been previously left out of the average stock-only approach. After seeing for a while the government and the Feds printing fresh money in the trillions, thereby diluting our savings purchasing power, gold, silver, and Bitcoin, and the cryptos in general, have begun to prove themselves as solid alternatives that we better become more familiar with. So how do these various investment products compare with one another? Here's an update on the performance of these various sectors and indices over multiple time frames. In these charts, again, the color-coded line represents the percent performance of each security. Charts starts at 0 and show the price performance over the specified time period. And the securities that we analyze include the S&P 500, the technology stocks, gold, US bonds, crude oil, the dollar index, Bitcoin, and real estate. As of mid-August of 2020, the big winner is Bitcoin. That's up 70%. Technology sector and gold follow at about 30%, and government bonds are at 20%. The S&P 500 and the US dollar are practically flat. Crude oil is still suffering from the disastrous 80% plus crash in April. Real estate is down about 10%. Now, we'd like to point out that in deciding where to invest, one has to assess more than just the raw performance. Bitcoin performed the best, but has also shown the highest level of volatility. Gold and bonds, although less profitable, have grown remarkably steady, although things may change in the near future. So one has to balance performance with peace of mind and steady growth versus high volatility. This chart shows the 2 years performance, which shows that Bitcoin has been still the highest performing class, but with major swings up and down. So unless you're a long-term holder, the capability to actively follow the big swings is becoming more and more vital. And this is Outrageous Profits, the market analysis service that's empowering the individual investors with the tools of the pros. If you'd like to learn more about our methods, please sign up for a free video course at outrageousprofits.site/free. See you there. Thank you very much.